Hey YouTube, welcome back. So yeah, today I'm going to unbox this. This one is from our place, I think pots and pans. So yeah, I'm not sure what my wife purchased this time around. So she didn't give me any of the description. So I'm just gonna open it up and get a surprise. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up and check them out. It says, welcome to our place. We saved you a seat. At our place, we believe the strongest connections are made over a home-cooked meal. What? Oh. It says, meet your new wonder oven. Uh-oh. I'm not sure why she keep on buying appliances. We have enough. There's no more room for it. Since this is an instruction manual, maybe this one's a quick start guide. Maybe there's some kind of recipe in here or what. I don't know. Last time we have similar, and then the knob is broken because it's the heat, due to the heat. I'm not sure why I keep buying the oven. We have enough. It's a waste of money. And this is the manual. So there's a water inlet cap right there that you need to remove. So there's this metal tray. I could tell already this is too small. And this is probably the dripping tray in case the cooking drip down there. And two additional, this is the same tray. Oh my god. So there's this left side knob from 200 to 450 degree. This one is the different cooking selection. It says toast, air fry, bake, broil, says low 400, high is 450. And then you can turn it to reheat. And then another one is to roast. And right here is a timer. Oh my god, this is old school. Why is it ticking like this? From 0 all the way to 60 minutes. And then there's a warning sign with a triangle that is very hot on top. So yeah, this oven looks brand new, but it's gonna be hard to clean once you get dirty if you use it for a while. You got the 3 of those heating bars on top and 2 on the bottom. There's 1, 2, 3 for the tray. So it's like a stainless, and then there's a light bulb there. Sometimes you guys are wondering if there's a light for the oven. So this one has light. And then this is where you put or add the water. Let's go and then check out the back. So the back is just plug-in cable. Then that's it. Anyway, let's go and then turn it on real quick at the kitchen and see. So yeah, the bottom one is for the crumb tray or any of the dripping, the sauce or whatever. Let's go and then plug in real quick. So let's say toast, 200 degree, and then turn it on for a couple minutes. But unfortunately, you cannot turn off the lights. It's always on, so it's what a waste of electricity. Yeah, I don't think I like the knob because the heat is gonna go up there, and that's what happened to our oven before. It just messed up the knob and you cannot turn the dial anymore, so I might have to ask her to return it. So yeah, basically this is how it functions. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.